Hi guys, how are things? So this is our new office. I'm going to give you a quick tour now. It's a complete open plan space. We've increased the staff numbers and asked Paul and the team significantly over the last couple of months. So we're moving to a new location, which is Maple House in Stillorgan. And we're committed to doubling the workforce again over the next 2 to 3 years. I'm really excited about this because this is my office. I started my career with an Irish Life. I had my first interview in this very office, this room here, about 16, 17 years ago. So it's great to get the office back. It's great to be here. When I actually left this office to start doing my own, I always thought I'd be able to build something like that direct sales team in Irish Life, but bigger and better, bringing financial planning to consumers. So I'm really passionate about the office first of all, but delighted to be growing the team in the way that's done over the last number of years, and excited about the future. So let's check the office out. So guys, this is the space behind me here. I'm going to have a quick walk around. So you've got a couple of contractors involved. The architect and design team are RKD. So as you can see, it's a complete open plan at the moment. And we're putting an awful lot of money and research into what we're going to look like in a few months' time. I'm so excited, it looks brilliant. So RKD are going to be the designers, and Dartmouth Building Works are going to do the fit out for us. It's going to take us about 3 to 4 months to get this space ready. If you walk over here, we're just going to show you my desk space when I was in Irish Life. It's actually in this corner over here. So back in the Irish Life days, there would have been about 20 to 30 consultants in here, a few managers. Obviously Irish Life are based on Abbey Street. This would have been one of their called what's a regional sales office. But like I said, when I left this very building, I kind of had loads of hopes and dreams of what the business might turn into. And to be honest with you, if I had known where I was going to be today, I would have been even more excited leaving than I was. Keep an eye on my channel to see what the development work turns out to be over the next few months. And I'll pop down and do a few videos when it's being renovated so you can get a real behind the scenes feel, I suppose. Cheers and have a good day.